It's Friday. We've got some Steely Dan. It was a beautiful day. Really, the remainder of the week after the heat moved out by about Tuesday was gorgeous. Mid-70s and clear. Pretty good day all in all today. It was an office and admin day for me. A lot of communication. Two sets of wheels came back, actually. Some Style 37s, which we'd never refinished before. And that's almost a machine cut finish. It's not painted. It's, I don't know, put on a lathe and shaven down a few mils and then clear coated, I think. They look pretty good. Then a set of 65s came back, a touch on the dark side, but customer's happy. Drove down from OC to pick them up. Alan's wrapping up the mechanical work on the black 540. We've got a kind of a no start issue right now, actually, after the timing change in guides, which is really weird. We've done a bunch of those, never had issues like this. It's clearly something electronic and something relatively minor that we're overlooking. Fuel pump fuses are in. We didn't really pull any other fuses or relays. Obviously, we cranked the engine a bunch before we attempt to start it. Maybe one of them popped or was damaged coming out or went back in the wrong spot. We'll have to check that. But the DME's not giving us any codes. EWS no codes, cluster no codes, ABS no codes. So at least the last hour of the day, it was a head scratcher, but we'll get back on that Monday and certainly figure it out. Custom Silverstone seat came back for the Blue Water car. That took a little longer than expected, but it's quality work. You cannot match this whale penis or ostrich leather, whatever you want to call it. You just can't get that texture. So the middle leather is like smooth Napa leather as well, but it looks like he got the Silverstone color really, really closely, if not perfect. So seats retrimmed and ready to be installed on Monday. And just other various odds and ends. We had a 01X5 picked up today, and he actually traded his other car in on it. We have his, I think it's an 07 335 manual right now. He's got ABS issues in that as well, so we'll be diagnosing that on Monday. Larissa and her mom are back at the house tonight, tomorrow, so it's going to be a fun weekend. We're going out to dinner tonight. Tomorrow morning is an FOC board meeting. Actually, before the meeting is a meetup at Ferrari San Diego, or I don't think it's actually at Ferrari San Diego. It's a Ferrari San Diego hosted event at like an airport somewhere, so that'll be kind of cool. Let's go look at some Ferraris in the morning, then the board meeting, probably get brunch after that. I believe Larissa's got to work tomorrow. They're launching a new product, so it's all hands on deck. I'm going to be working in the backyard, and then her mom leaves early Sunday morning back for Illinois, so it'll be a busy but good weekend. I'm going to wrap things up here tonight. Beautiful look towards Rancho Santa Fe, Del Dios area over there, just gorgeous. Fall is kind of the local summer. All the tourists have left. We get beautiful sunsets. It's still warm without being too hot. Enjoying the M5 tonight. All right, talk to you guys on Saturday. Bye.